In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Slack notifications. If you've been getting pinged all day and want some quiet time without leaving your workspace, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to switch off so Slack stays silent while you focus. Start by heading to slack.com in your browser or open the Slack desktop app if that's what you usually use. The interface is nearly the same in both places. If you're not already signed in, log into your workspace so you're looking at your usual channels and messages. Look down to the bottom left corner of the Slack window. You'll see your profile area with your avatar or initials. Click that profile logo to open a small menu. This is the quickest way to reach your personal settings. From that menu, choose Preferences. A settings panel will open, usually centered on your screen or in a new window. This is where Slack groups all your personal controls, including notifications, themes, and accessibility. We're going straight to notifications. Inside Preferences, open the notification section if it isn't already selected. You'll find a subsection labeled How to Notify You. This area controls how Slack alerts you across your devices. It's the hub for deciding whether Slack should pop up banners, play sounds, or send push notifications to your phone. To turn off alerts, look for the desktop notifications option and switch it off. With this disabled, Slack won't show banners or play sounds on your computer, and new activity will stay quiet in the background. You can still check messages anytime, they just won't interrupt you. Right below that, disable mobile notifications as well. Turning this off stops Slack from sending push notifications to your phone or tablet. Messages will still arrive and be waiting for you when you open the app, but your device won't buzz or light up for Slack alerts. That's all you need to do. With both desktop and mobile notifications turned off, Slack goes into a silent mode for you personally, while leaving everything else in your workspace untouched. If you work in multiple Slack workspaces, remember that notification settings are set per workspace, so repeat these changes wherever you need quiet. You can come back to the same Preferences panel anytime to re-enable notifications or adjust them more granularly. A quick way to confirm the change is to keep Slack open for a bit and notice that new messages no longer trigger banners or sounds. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Slack notifications, keeping your workflow calm and distraction-free while still having access to all your conversations when you're ready.